Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips. Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty. Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
For a thing, he already made his mind up before he came. Now get your boots, hang your coat for this wet ass pussy. He bought a phone just for pictures of this wet ass pussy. Pay my tuition just to kiss me on this wet ass pussy. Now make it rain if you wanna see some wet ass pussy. Now from the top, make it drop. That's a wet ass pussy. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's a wet ass pussy. I'm talking rock, rock, rock. That's a wet ass pussy. Macaroni in a pot. That's a wet ass pussy.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Every time I need that high, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps.
This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Apply a second layer of gel polish.
To the beat like a pro, know you love that. Shake it to the flow, gotta love that. Get low, then pick up, get your hands in the air, it's a stick up. Shake your tambourine, move it quicker. Yeah, I'm shaking down the town, it's a picture. I'm moving on the floor, gotta love that. How she keep it going on, gotta love that. To the beat like a pro, know you love that. Shake it to the flow, gotta love that.
Now, we are going to be using rhinestones for our simple nail art design. Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat. Now, cure your press on nails for 10 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, cure your press on nails for 10 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
Yeah, my swag so clean. Bad bitches on me. Bad bitch 104. Yeah, TMZ. Gucci coat, titty. House up in the hill. Shawty got it there. Shawty wanna live. Yeah, my swag so clean. Bad bitches on me. Bad bitch 104. Yeah, TMZ. Gucci coat, titty. House up in the hill. Shawty got it there. Shawty wanna live. 100,000 flows, switch up like I feel cold, switch up like I chain hoes. Got a lot of the hoe, got a lot of cold, got a body low, nigga overdose. She just wanna feel, I be on the X, I be on the pill. Bitch, you wanna fuck my ex still. Trapping in hell, so one in hell.
At home, saving money, self-care nails, and finished. Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client. Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary, nails. Intend to learn DIY, how to, making money online, all in one video.